Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is exception. It's pronounced exception, and it is spelt E-X-C-E-P-T-I-O-N. Think except and Ian. The word exception is a noun. An exception is something that does not follow a general rule or statement. For example, if all your friends loved playing netball, but you hated it, you would be an exception as you are different from the rest and do not follow the rule that everybody liked netball. In The Little Mermaid, Ariel is an exception as she is the only mermaid who wishes she was human. The rest are happy as mermaids under the sea. She is different from the rest and therefore an exception. Exception comes from the word except, which means not including or other than. The exception is the one that is not included. Did you know it is a fairly well-known fact that there are no marine or underwater insects? All known insects live above water. However, recently an exception to this rule was discovered. There are 13 species of tiny lice that live on seals. It was previously believed that these passengers abandoned ship and remained on dry land when the seals went swimming. However, it was recently discovered that they cling on and brave not only the salty seawater, but also the tremendous pressures of depths of up to several hundred meters under the water. These are the only known insects that can survive underwater. Therefore, they are the exception. If your brother was playing music loudly again, you could say, he always plays his deafening tunes, and tonight is no exception. There's another example for you. It would be an exception if he were not to play deafening music. Another example, if you went on holiday and booked a sports package. The host might tell you all sports, with the exception of scuba diving, are included. This means that you can do everything except scuba diving. An exception is defined as a person or thing that is excluded from a general statement or does not follow a rule. Synonyms for exception include anomaly, irregularity, deviation, special case, inconsistency, peculiarity, and misfit. Antonyms include commonality, regularity, normality, sameness, similarity, uniformity, and par. Hopefully, everyone has a wonderful day today, with no exceptions. See if you can use the word exception today. For example, if everyone has pizza for dinner tonight, but one person has salad, as they're trying to eat a little bit healthier, you could tell them they are the exception. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.